Yo people, this is Trig. Finding trig ratios from a point on the unit circle. So we're given coordinates that I'm going to uh, locate in here in the Cartesian plane. This is it. This is the point we're given. And of course, this is a triangle, right? We always use triangles in these curves. And since this is a unit circle, we know that the hypotenuse is 1. Now, we know that we have the x part and the y part. And we know that cosecant of an angle equals the hypotenuse divided by the opposite caret, right? So put those opposite and adjacent caret and hypotenuse in terms of what you have in here. You have a y part, you have an x part, and you have a hypotenuse that is always 1 in this case. So substitute what you have. The y part in the coordinate that we're given is the square root of 2 divided by 2. After making a delicious sandwich with it, we get 2 divided by the square root of 2, and that equals the square root of 2. Because if we multiply the square root of 2 in the numerator and the denominator, we will have 2 times the square root of 2 over 2, and 2 over 2 equals 1, and we only have the square root of 2. That is the first one. The second one, cosine of an angle in terms of x and y's equals x divided by 1. The x part that we're given is minus the square root of 2 divided by 2 over 1. And if you divide anything by 1, you get the same thing. So this is the answer. And the last one, cotangent, is it is the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. No, the opposite by adjacent. That is tangent. Then the cotangent is the adjacent divided by the opposite. That is x divided by y. That is the square root of 2, the minus the square root of 2 divided by 2 over the square root of 2 divided by 2. You're dividing the same thing. Well, you have the same thing and you're dividing by that same thing. Then you only have minus 1. All right, so those are the answers that I'm going to write down here. First division, then square root. Don't worry, I'm not going to forget about the negative, and minus 1. Check. Thank you, Alex, for giving me the correct answer. Thank you. Goodbye.